Hi, we are now at part 17, stage 19, the steering column. Day 116, December 23rd, 2024. Getting the parts ready, cleaned up and ready for assembly. Steering rack all glued and cleaned up ready for painting. Just waiting for glue to dry before the first coat of matte black. Mainly using cheap nail files and diamond files to get into the little nooks and crannies. First coat of Humbrol Matt Black, number 33, 100%. Second coat of Humbrol Matt Black, number 33. Made an error, got carried away and painted a gloss coat. Waited a few days for it to dry, then applied silver. Humbrol number 11, 100%. Applied a second coat of silver, then waited for day to dry. End of part 17. Have you seen the series from the start? Leave a comment. Let me know how it's going so far.